Hi everyone, my name is Vanessa van Dijk, and in today's video I want to clear up whether you really need to put a facial moisturizer around the eyes after applying a retinol eye cream. And the short answer is no, but the longer answer is where you may start to feel unsure about what is right. Now, what usually happens is that if you buy a retinol eye cream, then you see someone online say that you must seal it in with a moisturizer, and then suddenly you are layering 2 or maybe even 3 products around the eyes, not really knowing whether it is necessary. Or maybe you are just doing it because you saw it recommended somewhere. And this is exactly where things start to get confusing, because almost no one ever explains why you should or should not add that extra layer. And a lot of this is marketing, and many routines you see online are just repeating blanket rules without any logic behind them. And I personally think that much of the confusion comes from creators who mix up irritation management with what a product actually requires, as if adding an extra cream magically changes how retinol works. But that is not how your skin works, and that is not how formulations work either. So I want to take the time to explain this to you so you understand when it is needed and when it's not, in a very logical way. So first of all, a retinol eye cream is not just retinol, it is a full formula. And every retinol eye cream on the market, and I really mean everyone, already contains humectants and emollients. Those are moisturizing ingredients. Humectants like glycerin or hyaluronic acid help the product stay nicely hydrated on your skin instead of drying out right away. And emollients such as dimethicone or squalane soften the skin by smoothing out tiny gaps or rough areas on the surface. This makes the skin feel more comfortable and less tight. So the product is not just a treatment, it is already a moisturizer by design. And once you understand that, you see why an extra layer isn't always needed. Because if the product already contains moisturizing ingredients, then you do not need a second moisturizer, unless there's a specific reason. Now this is the part where you may get confused, because retinol may cause dryness. And yes, that is true. But the dryness does not happen because the product was not sealed in. It happens because the retinol itself was too strong for your skin at that moment. Or you simply use it too often, which I think is the most likeliest reason. Because if you're already watching this kind of video, you are very likely being targeted by the algorithm with more and more skincare content. And that usually means that you're already using quite a lot of skincare products, and often using them very frequently. So when your skin gets red or tight or flaky, that's not a sign that you must add more moisturizer. That is a sign that your skin has had enough retinol, and no extra cream will fix the cause. It just makes it feel a bit more comfortable. Now I want to go through the 2 possible outcomes so you know exactly what to do. The first outcome would be that you apply a retinol eye cream, wait a few minutes, and your skin feels completely normal. No tightness, no burning, no dryness. In this case, you're done. You do not need to apply anything else. Remember, the eye cream is already moisturizing, so nothing else is needed here. The second outcome, however, is a bit different. In this case, you apply it and your skin starts to feel tight, irritated, maybe sensitive or even flaky after a few uses. That means the retinol frequency is too high or the product is a bit too strong for your skin. And in that case, the real solution is to reduce how often you use it. Yes, you can add a moisturizer on top for comfort, but that is optional and it does not fix the underlying irritation. It just helps your skin feel calmer while you adjust your routine. So to put it simple, if your eye cream feels comfortable, you do not need to add an extra moisturizer. And if your eye cream feels irritating, cut back on the retinol and only use a moisturizer if it helps soothe the skin. It is for comfort, not because the routine requires it. And that's it. There's no magic to it, no complicated layering, just listen to how your skin feels after the product has settled. And remember that your retinol eye cream is already a moisturizer. So add another one if it helps your skin feel more comfortable, but not because someone online said that you have to. Now I hope that this was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Happy skin caring!